some hair clips in. I don't know if it even goes with my outfit, but I like it. And I have my caribou shirt. And then black leggings. And I just have some sunscreen on, as well as the body, just in case. So yeah. Hold up, I think the fan is gonna be too loud. So, oh, spooky, okay. Coming out here, where there's lots of natural lighting. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Today we're gonna go to the consignment store, and then we're gonna go to the botanical gardens and check that out. Again, hopefully it's not too crowded. I just really cross my fingers that it isn't, or that the time that I go there is gonna be okay. It's already 11, so hopefully I can get to the garden maybe around 1 or so, hopefully. And yeah, and then after the gardens, honestly, I don't really know. I might go to a cafe to get some quick things to eat, or come back here, get some quick things to eat. I don't know. It's a free day today, so yeah. All right. Beautiful. Finally made it home. Even though I was out in nature, I feel like it's just so good to be home and away from everyone. Hopefully I don't get sick. Throat's a little scratchy. Anyways, I was right, meaning that I did find some books that really fit me, and I'm super excited to read it. I might start reading it today because I have a little bit of time before dinner. But yeah, I have 2 books. I feel like 2 is just like enough. If I get more, it's not going to fit in my bag. But the first one I got, I think this has been really popular. I just never really picked it up, but it is Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale. So I'm super excited to read that. I've heard about it, but I never really went and picked it up. I don't know, I think because they made it sound not like appealing, but yeah. I have another book called All the Pretty Places by Joy Calloway. The flowers caught my eye and I was like, ooh, what's this? And apparently it's really interesting. It's about this girl who, how do I say it? Like she has, her family has a nursery and they have been a supply for some respected landscape architects, but then the economy plummets into a depression and Sadie is pressured into marrying this wealthy man, and she's like, no, I'm gonna pursue my business. So she pursued her business, and then she like, yeah, anyways, I did not explain that in a really good way. I'm like so pooped and I need to take a break and rest for a bit and nourish myself because I have not eaten anything this whole day besides my oatmeal, and it is like 4 p.m. and I'm hungry. So I'm a little cuckoo. But if this interests you, go check it out. I'm sure it is an amazing book. I just did not explain it in a really good way. But yeah, I also found this other book that I originally really wanted, and it was a memoir, but it was really expensive, and I think I can get one used for the price, so I decided not to get it. And I'll probably get it back in LA, and then hopefully I can have a little library going on in my new apartment, which I will for sure show you guys. So that's exciting. Yeah, I'm gonna drink my beer and eat cookies now and just relax until dinner. Tomorrow I have a really, really early start. I have to leave the house by 5, so I have to get up like 4:30. So that's not fun, but it's all worth it for experience. So yeah. Oh. Break time, cookies time.